we're going to be doing some bits with toys, of course. So what are we going to do? We're going to see how many different ways we can, this tripod man, this is so I can see what's happening on here. How many different ways we can pick 3 toys and how many different ways they can. We've done this before, but if you haven't seen it, that's fine. I'm going to do it again. So we're going to be systematic. We've got dinosaur here, dinosaur, ball, and puppy dog. So how many different ways, if dinosaur wants to sit on the outside and he wants ball to sit next to him, puppy dog has to sit over here. But puppy dog wants to sit next to dinosaur, but dinosaur wants to stay on the outside. So dinosaur and ball have to change places. So we can write that down. So first of all, we have dinosaur, ball, and puppy dog. We do a adorable picture of each. Then puppy dog wants to sit next to dinosaur. The puppy dog and ball change places. Now, dinosaur decides he wants to be in the middle. And puppy dog says, I want to be on this side. So now we have dinosaur in the middle, puppy dog on this side, and ball on that side. But then ball says, well, I want to be on that side, but dinosaur wants to be in the middle. So puppy dog and ball change places. So that's another way they can sit. Now, is there any other way that dinosaur can have a bit of variety? Can dinosaur be anywhere else? Dinosaur sat on the outside, dinosaur sat on the middle. Where else can dinosaur go? That would be a little bit different. So dinosaur decides he wants to sit on this outside, on this side. And puppy dog says, oh, that's nice, I can be in the middle. So now we have dinosaur on the this outside, the other outside, puppy dog in the middle, and ball on this outside. But then puppy dog says, I haven't sat on that outside, so puppy dog moves over there, ball goes in the middle, and dinosaur stays over here. So the question then is, are there any other ways that dinosaur, ball, and puppy dog can move around? Have they found all the different ways where they can sit? And then the next thing is you can add tripod man to the mix. You can have 4 toys in a row. You find all the different ways that the 4 toys can sit together. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to go and get my board. Be right back. I'll give you an idea. And I'll give you an idea on how to sort them. Now, why are we doing this? We're doing this because we're going to become, that's a big word, you ready? We're going to become, I'll phrase that up a little bit, we're going to become systematic. Got that word? Whoopsie, let's hope you got it. Systematic. And being systematic helps us when we get to school. It helps us work out lots of problems, and it helps us to be super organized and really good learners. So we had puppy dog, the puppy, then we had ball, we had butter ball, or we could draw a picture of puppy dog. So we could have a puppy dog with his tongue and his nose, that's the puppy dog. We could draw a picture, and we could have the ball, which is easy, and then we could have dinosaur. Okay, so you could draw pictures, or you can do letters, it's up to you. So we're going to have puppy dog, ball, and dinosaur. We have puppy dog on the outside, we could have dinosaur and ball. Then we could have a puppy dog in here, and we've got both of those 2 options. So now we can have ball can come over here, and we can have puppy dog and dinosaur. Ball still out here, so we can have dinosaur and puppy dog. Now we can have dinosaur out here and have puppy dog and ball. And then we have dinosaur and have ball and puppy dog. And then we've got all those options. For all of those options, we can add tripod man. So for all of those, you can have tripod man on the outside. And then for all of those options, see where else tripod man can sit within and still have puppy dog and ball and dinosaur have all different positions, and see where else tripod man can come in. So I'll leave that with you, and I'll bring that up a bit closer just so you can see it nice and close. So she with confidence, there we go. So we had puppy dog, ball, dinosaur, puppy dog, dinosaur, ball, ball, puppy dog, dinosaur, ball, dinosaur, puppy dog, dog, puppy dog, ball, dog, ball, no, dog, puppy dog, yes, dog, ball, puppy dog, and then we've added tripod man, and then how many other places can tripod man go? Well, puppy dog and dinosaur and ball all have different places to go as well. So we'll let you work that out. Now, why are we doing this? I'm going to have to move this around here and hold this facing me. And I'm going, this sofa is quite hard. I just discovered the hard way. I just sat down and boom, it was super, super hard. So it's, oh, where is it? That's not it. Here we go. This is the one. Ooh, oh dear. Oh, oh dear, dear, dear. Now you move up there. That's it. Thank you. So we're learning to be systematic, and being systematic is super important. A skill to learn. So it's when you're sorting, you want to find all the different ways you can sort. And whenever you think of different ways, well, how else can I do it? And how else can I do it? And is there any other way I can do it? Always be thinking. Always be thinking of other things you can do. And what I didn't do, just go back 1 second, because this you can do for very young learners. I'm going to go back 1 second. You ready? We're going to have a look. Wait a minute, I'm going to put that back there. Oh, get the tripod going. Oh, see? And let me just make sure you can see what I think you can see. Okay, you ready? We're going to take puppy dog and dinosaur and just have 2 toys. You can start off with this actually. We've done that. Let's say I've got puppy dog here and dinosaur here. How many different ways can dinosaur and puppy dog sit together? Well, puppy dog can be here and dinosaur can be here, or puppy dog can be here and dinosaur can be here. There's just 2 ways. And we found all the ways that the 3 can be together, and then we added tripod man, and we're going to find out how many ways they can be together. And also, when we played this game last night with Leo, have a look, see what he came up with. Let me get my notes. Let me be right back. Get my notes. Get my notes. Leo decided Leo is 5. Leo said, when I said how many different ways, he said, well, oops, let's move this. You can see they could go in front of each other. So they could go instead of next to each other. Move the camera down just a teeny bit. Yes, that's good. He said they could go in a line. Instead of side by side, they could go, when I said how many different ways, he thought along different lines. He said, well, they could go front to back. And absolutely they could. And you could do the same again. If you're queuing up, or lining up, you could have the ball at the front and then the ball in the middle and the ball at the back, and see all the other places that dinosaur and puppy dog can go. What else did he say? He said they could sit on top of each other. You know, puppy dog in the bottom, and then dinosaur, and then ball. And then you could have ball and then dinosaur, and then you could have ball at the bottom, dinosaur, and then puppy dog, and swap those around, etc. You know, lots of different ways you can do it. And what else did he say? Find all the different ways on top of each other. What else did he say? He said, you know, I've forgotten what that was. On top of each other, front, back. He came up with another really good one. I can't read my own writing, but I do remember this one. He said, get this, so they could sit in a triangle. So can you see that? So they're sitting in a triangle like that. So again, this could be, they can move around, so puppy dog stays in the same place, and dinosaur and ball change places, then puppy dog can go at the back. Well, I remember what the other one was, and then they can swap places. There's lots of different ways of doing the same thing. And then the other one he came up with, is when I said they were going in between, he came up with the idea of a bridge. So we can have puppy dog and dinosaur being the border, the bridge, and the ball being the bridge. We have the ball on this end and the dinosaur being the bridge. So we've done those. So if the dinosaur's the bridge, we can have puppy dog here and ball here. Then we can swap them around and have puppy dog there and ball there. And we have each different toy can be the bridge, and then we can swap sides according to make sure we have all the different combinations. And then again, we can add tripods. We can make it into a square, for example, and find all the different ways. If we have 4 items, and find all the different ways of doing it. And that's, oops, there we go. Now I'm going to go back here again so that you can see what I can see, or I can see what you can see. Let's see what you can see, what I can see, if you can see what I can see. There we go. And then I'm going to see this. Here we go. So that's the game. And if you do that with lots of things, you can do it with cushions, you can do it with all different kinds of toys, you can do it, just be looking at all different ways of doing things. And have you found all the different ways you can sort things around? You've got lots of different colors. Have you found all the different ways you can maybe different numbers, different amounts of colors and different boxes? Just always be thinking, what else can I do? And have I found all the different ways I can do it? So enjoy that. That's hugely valuable for when you get to school or when you have to work out new things in school. And that will be something that will help you all throughout your life. So thank you very much for joining, and I will see you tomorrow. And we'll have more games to play tomorrow. I've just got to find the bit where I stopped. There we go. I've got it ready. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow with another lovely game to play with maths, making maths fun. Bye-bye.